good?
Yeah, we're good.
How's it going, everybody? Jake and Chris here. You're watching Dude Ranch DIY. Welcome back to the channel. We are picking up literally right where Chris left off in the last video. In the last video, what'd you do?
I made the top cut on our 14-foot white oak log. We're, like we said in the past, we're trying to get 4x4 beams out of this, and it's going to go towards the chicken coop and possibly a structure over the log splitter at some point in time.
Yeah, so that first cut looks really good. How'd the chainsaw mill do?
Oh, chainsaw mill did great. I threw the winch on it in that video, and it worked like a dream. No pushing with the shoulders, no rocking back and forth. Just cranked it right along, and it nice and smooth. I think it took like 9 minutes or something to do the whole log.
Yeah, you know, it did take 9 minutes because I edited the video for Chris, so I know exactly how it all went. So I'm excited to use this, and we're going to be slabbing out the rest of this log here into 4-inch slabs, and then you got yourself an edging mill, right?
Yeah, it was like 40 bucks on Amazon. I couldn't pass it up.
So an edging mill, once we slab it out into 4-inch thick slabs, the edging mill is basically going to run down and make a vertical cut down the side so that we can get nice flat sides and make our 4x4 beams here. So without much more talking, we're going to fire up the saw and get some slabs cut before the sun goes down. Stick with us. All right, guys, so we just got the saw fueled and oiled up, and I'm going to try my hand at running it, and Chris is going to run the cameras here. So we got the ladder set up on the log again, just because there was a slight bow at the end of the log, so we're gonna try and get that out to alleviate that for all of the remaining cuts, and we'll see how we do here. So I just did that for what, 2 minutes? Just got this quick wrap. I'm gonna put it around the throttle here. That way I can just hold on to the saw and not have to actually be pulling the throttle the whole time. I think that might help. I don't know, we'll see how it does. What'd you think?
I feel like my face is covered in sawdust.
Oh yeah, you're rocking that man glitter.
Yeah, good. Man glitter all over. I love glitter. That was cool. I'm probably screaming because I was screaming. That was cool. Definitely takes a while, but that hand crank is great. You really kind of like get into a rhythm of like, you know, how many cranks, you know, because you can feel each little tooth. Right. And you kind of can sense, you know, by listening to the pitch of the saw and adjusting the crank. I really didn't have to push at all, you know, until the very end. And then by adding in that little, you know, like cable tie, like quick wrap, you don't even have to hold the trigger, which is probably, arguably, with that crank, the most like laborious part. But it looks like it came out pretty good. We got a taper here, and it's thicker over there, so hopefully we're left with a nice flat remaining log.
Yeah, let's check it out.
All right, let's pull this off.
Alright. Where are we gonna go? That way? We'll just rest it on the pallets?
Yeah. Let's stand it up next to the pallets because I don't have enough room to rest it.
Let's put the pretty side up.
There we go. Look at that. Let me grab the camera, show you guys what we're working with.
Oh, you know what worked great last time?
What was that?
Yeah. Beautiful dump find.
Oh, we got a dump find that's coming in handy, as per usual. All right, guys, well, while Chris is getting a dump find that came in handy, oh yeah, the little blower. Look at that. That looks real nice. And then here we got the slab that we just cut. Nice knot there in the center. I could feel the knot going through there for sure, but it's some good stuff.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Good stuff for sure.
See how we did. A little bit off level left to right.
Yeah, you can kind of see looking there, just looking straight down the log. You can kind of see at the end it's a little cockeye, but you know, we're learning. It's a learning process.
Oh, dead level in the center.
All right, well, hey, there we go.
And yeah, a little
Way
low
off on
right.
the end. But, you know,
It's all right.
such is life.
Pretty level going all the way across the log, though. It's,
Not bad for a couple pallets on about a foot of asphalt millings.
Yeah.
So,
We got rid of that taper that we were looking at before.
yeah. So now, what? We're going to try and rip our first 4-incher?
Yeah.
All right.
Give it a try.
Here we go.
All right, blow me. Just finished up that first cut. Took quite some time. Here we go.
guys, so as you can probably tell, it is getting dark here, but we finished up that cut. It took quite some time. I think we probably hit some metal towards around the area of this sticker here, and the chain is definitely getting dull. So we are going to, I don't know if we're gonna be able to lift this thing.
I don't know, let's find out.
All right, here we go.
Got cheese with you today.
Chris will be able to lift his half. I don't know about Jake lifting his.
Okay. There we go. Got it flipped over.
So I apologize for it being dark. We'll have to show you guys in the daylight, but came out, all in all, came out pretty good. This is right around where we started seeing some sparks coming off the bar.
Yeah, must have just been that knot.
But yeah, it was probably, see it here too. But it looks pretty good. And we measured it, or Chris measured it while I was cutting, and it is 16 inches wide. Now that is definitely including...
Yeah, so this short end of the cut, aside from the bark, we're at like 16 and a half inches.
So we might be able to squeeze out 4, but most likely 3.
Like 4 1/4 on both sides.
So, you know, again, we are brand new to this, so if you guys have any advice or pointers or tips, we'd love to hear it. Obviously, this is not the fastest process, nor the most accurate, but for what we are doing, it is definitely going to suffice. And you know what? We're having a lot of fun doing it and learning something new along the way. So, it's getting dark. We got to wrap up this video.
All right, guys, that's going to be it. We came over here by the log splitter. That way we could get some, as Chris called it, the stadium lighting on us, so you could see us. But all in all, I think we did pretty good.
Yeah, we did.
Got our first, we're losing the stadium lighting. Oh, there it comes. We got our first 4-inch slab out of that thing. We might be able to squeeze one more. If not, we can do some 2-inch slabs to get some 2x4s. But definitely got to sharpen up that chain.
Oh yeah, a
And,
little bit of maintenance goes a long way with those things.
Yeah, you know, and again, we're cutting through white oak, so it's definitely, you know, pretty hard wood as opposed to like pine or something. I'm cold. Are you cold?
Oh, I'm freezing.
I'm ready for a beer.
Yeah, me too.
All right, guys, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video,
Oh boy.
if you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. Haven't done so already, click the subscribe button down below. We'd greatly appreciate it. Questions, comments, feedback, throw it down there as well. I'm Jake.
And I'm Chris.
This is Dude Ranch DIY. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you here next time.